Exhaust Technology is proud to showcase its new American Thunder system for the 2007 through 2013 Silverado and Sierra 1500. This catback system features our patented Super 40 series muffler and dual 2.5-inch mandrel bent tailpipes. The exit pipes are configured to allow for either a dual out the rear or dual out the side exit style. As an American Thunder system, it will typically produce a moderate to aggressive exterior sound level with a noticeable interior sound level at cruising speeds that is well suited to the enthusiastic owner. If you're looking for an increase in power, torque, or mileage with a performance